So, I finally completed my first year of college. कुछ दोस्त बने, कुछ memories. But was it all worth it? So, let's just dive deep into this journey from the beginning.
Ryan Little.
9th June 2024. जी एडवांस का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ एंड एज एक्सपेक्टेड आई couldn't even clear the cutoff. अब क्या करें? वेल, मेरे सामने दो रास्ते थे. फर्स्ट, I could take a drop, prepare for JEE again, and might do better next year. Second, see, I had scored a decent rank and percentile in JEE mains, so I could just get into a good government college. So, what did I choose? I chose the second option. Why? Because I was exhausted. You see, JEE was not something that I wanted to ace. I just wanted to give it a try to see what all the hype was about. Until मैं भी उस rat race में शामिल हो गया. But yeah, I wanted to do other things. So I decided to just join a college and try to focus on other things. So I started looking for colleges. And trust me, ये बहुत hectic process था. Like looking for different colleges, participating in different counselings, like all that. But I finally chose DTU, Delhi Technological University. अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं कि like what is the most important thing that you get after joining a college? Is it the new shiny campus or the fest or the amazing people you'll meet eventually? I think the most important thing that you achieve after joining a college is freedom. अब तुम्हें कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है. ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना. You are on your own. You have to make your own decisions, manage your time, and learn to take responsibilities. Now you can explore and decide who you want to become. कॉलेज का ओरिएंटेशन था which I attended, but मैं कुछ ही देर बाद वहाँ से निकल गया because मुझे तो बस कॉलेज घूमना था. So I looked through each departments and classrooms like, bro, this is the place where I'll be devoting my 4 years of life. And I was pretty excited. Also, I met some seniors who told me what to do and what not to do. They were some interesting folks. But when I finally started my first day, it didn't quite went as I expected. It was kind of awkward as I didn't know anyone, so I just roam across the campus trying to conversate with different people, going back and forth to attend lectures and return back home. Yeah, some days just went by like this until I finally found some interesting folks, which you might call them friends. Apart from everyone I met in college, they were unique, like each one having their own aspirations and dreams. Some were good in sports while others were fascinated in studies. I was so glad that I could finally make some friends in my first year of college. Whether be it bunking classes to travel places or joining societies, we all had fun. there, the unexpected situation arrived. Mid-sem.
Huh? Huh?
You see, जब तुम कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हो आफ्टर ऑल द स्ट्रगल्स यू वेंट थ्रू ड्यू टू योर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स, यू जस्ट फील लाइक अब तो मैं कॉलेज में आ चुका हूँ, अब थोड़ी पढ़ूंगा, अब तो बस मजे हैं, है ना? है ना? क्या मतलब अगले ही हफ्ते मिड सेम से? Yep, it hits hard, but weirdly enough, it doesn't feel as intense as it did back in the school. Maybe अब तुम चीजें हैंडल करना सीख चुके हो. You just do get through it, you know. But does that mean you should just skip studying until the panic kicks in? Not really. I mean, sure, अभी तुम बस फर्स्ट ईयर में हो तो अभी चीजें तुम्हें चिल लगेंगी, but एक स्टडिंग की हैबिट बनाना, even just an hour or two a day, really helps in the long run. And trust me, it saves you from those last minute breakdowns in the future semesters. तो मिड सेम्स सर्वाइव करने के बाद I just started preparing for end sems, and it was nothing crazy. I was just being consistent, and before I knew it, the first semester was done. It just flew by. Now, I was pursuing electrical engineering, but as I said, I wanted to explore other fields as well, which included the tech field. So, in my first semester itself, I decided to learn web development. So, I looked through some courses, made some small scale projects, and I thought it is time to put these skills into test. So, I decided to participate in a hackathon. What is the first step? Building your own team. You talk to a bunch of people, reach out, network, and eventually find a mix of folks with different skills. Like someone might be a developer, someone might be a designer, someone who can pitch the idea really, really well. And this balance is what makes a hackathon team really click, you know. And then comes the second most important thing, your project, your prototype. I mean, this is what brings your idea to life. Ideally, you aim to solve a real world problem, something relevant, meaningful, or sometimes you just get a theme or prompt on the spot. But even then, it's all about coming up with a practical, buildable solution in a super short amount of time. And somehow in my first year itself, I ended up in participating 3 hackathons, with one of them being in IIT Delhi itself. Yup, that's right. Walking into one of the India's top tech campuses to compete was a next level kind of thrill. And obviously, I didn't win any of them yet, but honestly, that didn't even matter. The amount I learned, the connections I made, the skills I picked up along the way, it was totally worth it.
भाई वेबसाइट दिखा क्या बनाया हमने देख रहा है
And then finally came the moment we had all been waiting for, the college fest. Obviously, बाकियों की तरह मैं भी hyped था. I mean, NG Fest is considered one of the best fest in the whole NCR. So the hype around it was real, and not only in DTU, even in other colleges too. So the day arrived, and holy shit, the crowd was real. And I'm not even kidding. And see, I'm one of those people who just hate overcrowded places. So there I was, standing in this endless line with literally thousands of people around me. For a moment, I seriously thought about turning back and just going back home. But deep down, I knew I had to experience it at least once. So I waited for about 30 to 40 minutes just to enter my own damn college. But the moment I stepped in, I got it. The hype suddenly made sense. The vibe was something else, from the lights, the decorations to the food stalls and the overall energy. Everything felt bright. We checked out some artist performances and took part in some fun activities. And then came the highlight of it all. The Sonu Nigam show. Man, that wasn't just a concert. It was an emotion. His voice, the crowd singing along, the lights, it all felt magical. A night that didn't need words, just vibes. We watched the entire show from A to Z, and suddenly a thought hit in our mind. हम भागे. क्योंकि मेट्रो क्राउड से भरने वाली थी. तो हम भागे भागे और जैसे तैसे मेट्रो में पहुंचे और सारे दोस्त अपने अपने घर निकल गए. Exhausted, but on a high note that we'll carry this memory for a very, very long time.
देख कितने दूर है पता नहीं अभी तो साली गूगल पे देखना
So yeah, that's how my first year really went. मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया, ट्रैवल करी, कुछ चीज़ें सीखी एंड मेड सम जेन्युइनली अमेजिंग मेमोरीज. मुझे बस ये कुछ चीज़ें डिस्कस करनी थी, जैसे कि अबाउट द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम स्कूल टू कॉलेज, द स्ट्रगल्स, द फन, द आउटकम्स. इट्स लाइक ओपनिंग अ ब्रांड न्यू चैप्टर इन योर लाइफ where suddenly you start realizing how far you can actually go. कॉलेज तुम्हें वो स्पेस देता है जिससे कि तुम फिगर आउट कर सकते हो अपने ड्रीम्स एंड एस्पिरेशंस एंड फाइनली यू स्टार्ट चेजिंग देम. अब सक्सेस मिले या ना मिले, कभी फेल भी होगे, बट नाउ इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड्स. अब कोई बाउंड्रीज नहीं है. यू आर हैंडेड द पेन एंड द नोटबुक, एंड व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट, that's your story to write.